Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And not a lot has changed since yesterday, and there's a good reason for that. The front that's causing most of the weather is a stationary front. So it's living up to its name and not really moving. So, of course, if it doesn't move, you can expect basically the same type of weather that you saw yesterday. So let's take you through that now with the map. And as you look at this map where you have the blue and red line that sort of alternates colors there, that is a stationary front. It's nearly stationary. It wobbles a little bit here and there, north and south a bit. And it's actually wobbling because of these waves of low pressure that have developed along it. Each one of these waves of low pressure are kind of focal points for showers. So you got one up there, up through the mid-Atlantic states. You got one here in the southern United States, and then you got another area of low pressure up here in the northern plains. So those could be your focal points for some showers. So we got some showers in Minneapolis down to Chicago today. Temperatures ranging from upper 70s to mid 80s, mostly mid 80s though. Grand Rapids, Detroit, and down to Cleveland. Mid 80s for Cincinnati and Louisville and Nashville. That's mostly because skies will be mostly cloudy. We got some scattered showers in Memphis today and across much of the rest of the South. Now temperatures are still going to be warm through tomorrow, but then maybe a little bit dip in the temperatures here Thursday and Friday before they come up a little bit here toward the weekend. Same deal in Chicago. You see that little bit of a dip there in the temperatures by the end of the week, start of the weekend, before they really start to climb again later in the weekend. We still have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the southeast. Temperatures are generally pretty close to 90, so it's warm. Even when it's not raining, when it's cloudy, it's still warm and muggy. That's what you can expect in the month of July, after all. 82 today in Memphis, as we mentioned, but 90 over there in Dallas with mostly cloudy skies. Looks like showers and storms in New Orleans, Tampa, Savannah, Jacksonville, and all the way down to Miami and Fort Lauderdale, some showers and storms. So in the southeast, it's still pretty hot through tomorrow, and then I do think that our temperatures, they cool off a little bit here for the weekend, probably the end of the week to the start of the weekend. 88 degrees today in Fort Lauderdale with scattered storms. It looks like we still have a couple of storms early in the evening, but drying out. And as we look at our 7-day forecast, more of the same, maybe getting a little bit hotter here toward the weekend. That is your Tuesday morning weather update. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.